man, it's definitely been a minute since we did one of these walk and talk videos, and I haven't done this gym videos in a while. Doesn't mean I haven't been to the gym, I just haven't done it. So just to give myself a break. The weather is good, and I hate to say it, but the weather does do something to one's happiness, because this year it's been gloomy every day, it seems. And man, now that the weather's back, I'm happier, the sun's out. I haven't been doing videos every day. That's because I was shooting it all on the red Komodo camera. And when you shoot in a red Komodo camera, it just takes more work. The files are bigger. I have to edit it on my laptop. So definitely harder and more challenging. So that's the update on that department. But what I also want to talk about today is I was getting burnt out, because when you're doing all these creative stuff, no one tells you, you know, you want to make each and every video good and meaningful. So it becomes a challenging, and you challenge yourself every day to find topics to talk about, because it really doesn't matter what I shoot, but it does matter what I talk about. So finding good topics to talk about is very important, and that's the hardest thing for me. So I didn't want to get burnt out, so it's good to take time off, recalibrate, and get re-inspired. I haven't missed a day at the gym. I know it's been a while since I did these videos, but you know, I've been doing gym videos every day. It was getting redundant, but now I haven't done it in a while. It just feels good to do it again. All right, before I enter the gym, I just want to let you guys know that I've been in a little bit of a funk lately, maybe creatively, maybe inspirationally. But one thing I always do is I always try to work out, hit the gym, get my mind right, because what I don't want to do is stay at home, get more depressed when you don't even need to. I always go to the gym for some reason, you know, even though when I don't want to go to the gym, every time I end up leaving the gym, I always feel better. Working out, it just does something to the body. It helps release serotonin and all these good chemicals that your body releases while you're working out, and that just helps so much. And when things get better and my happiness comes back stronger, so is my health, and that's the beauty part of it. I'm gonna hit the gym, I'm gonna work out. I just want to do another one of these videos to inspire you, to let you know that no one's perfect, no one is safe. We all go through certain things in life. So have a good one, and I'll catch you in the next video.